Hi everyone, this is a lovely good morning. I thought of this time trying a little bit of humor this time. I'm not going to promote any business or any writer or any author. This is my own personal group where I share opinions uh, without directly hurting or offending anyone. I share my opinions on current events. So, Miss Fatima Aisha from Comedy Central, I forgot the program's name. It's about your next stand-up comedy. Okay, I saw that episode and I was very impressed by what she said. Uh, Fatima or Aisha, however you address yourself. If you're here, this is an attribute, tribute to you. Okay, so I'm just repeating what she said in the program. She is a engineer. She is an engineering graduate. So in engineering, they teach how to build bridges, how to construct homes, lots of offices, flyovers, what etc. They just don't teach you how to get a job. This is this is the same for every stream of education. Even medicine, engineering, MBA, commerce, anything. How do you get a job? Okay, keep off this. Several people want to get into films, modeling, uh, TV, VJ, or communication in such a way. Again, you would have heard of maybe Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, Ranbir Kapoor, Hrithik Roshan. South, Rajinikanth, Surya, Vikram, Vijay, Ajit, or Mohanlal, Prithviraj, Indrajit, etc., Nivin Pauly, etc., all those. How many more are there without jobs? How do you get a job in all this? Do such schools or colleges teach you how to get a job or how to do well in the job? I know several people highly qualified, but when it comes to job, yeah, I don't have to mention that. Now, shifting this focus to another uh, corona, this kind of COVID-19 problem over here. Highly educated people, the biggest doctors in the country. Um, I don't. I'm not that much qualified. I can't compete with them in knowledge, but still, they they allow offices to run. They allow companies to run. Of course, there is social distancing and all. Social distancing means what? You wear a mask and stand next to each other. Cricket is right now going on. IPL is right now going on in Abu Dhabi or in the UAE. You can say UAE and say yeah, most in the UAE. So, where is social distancing? Just a mask is enough. You sweat, you pant. It spreads easily. Spreads more easily. What if one person gets affected? The entire team will get affected. So should we skip IPL? That also is a question. Again, my summary of this means my idea in this video is just to share opinions. The viewers can judge by themselves. You're entitled to your opinions on this. I am just voicing an opinion. Okay. So now about this, and they are saying here I am in Coimbatore, in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore in India. Okay. So they are saying it's surprisingly increasing a lot over here. The COVID-19 count, the corona, both deceased and affected people are increasing very highly. But what did they do? Here nearby, the educated parents around here are sending their children to play. They play cricket, they play whatever they want. No masks at all. Totally no masks. You can Google my address from my location. You can address my address. This is in Coimbatore. You will know what I am speaking about. And what you hear near me is a kind of school which also follows the same policy. So this is on one side. I told about education. Now about health. Well, I used to be a freelancer. How to say communication English. I should take classes for communication English or even just plain communication, be it any language. How do you communicate? I am not a trained professional. I do not have any how to say educational background. This is just from experience. Some people have been graceful enough to tell me that I'm a natural. I speak natural, so I use it to help others. All right, coming back to the point. I went to for a freelance to a school. I won't say which location, which city. Went to a school. All right. So it was break time. I had a long day. Around lunchtime, something like that. I thought of some students who were playing basketball. I used to play a lot of basketball in school. So I thought, okay, why not try? So a couple of I shouldn't admit, okay, students today are very athletic. It wasn't the same when I was in school. They are very athletic today, take care of their body, their health, and all very nice, very well. So I saw students and one slightly obese person. I assumed he must be a parent or because there were a few parents also there, or he should be one of the staff. What do you call the? I don't know who takes care of the grounds or whatsoever. So I one person was standing very tall. Okay, he very tall, fit. He he looked around, say maybe in mid 20s or something like that. I don't know. I assumed because of the height. I assumed that. So I went and asked him, "Sir, can I join these guys?" I thought he was a coach or the PT master or the training master or whatever. Can I join these guys? I just came as a freelance, but I love to play basketball. It's lunch, so can I join? He said, "No, sir, I am also a student." That is the coach. He showed the plug test. This is India. Okay, and and finally, I'll just summarize this with another sense of humor, another incident. Uh, Now, talking about this getting for jobs and all. I heard a new education policy is coming which focuses on Indian culture. That is for more wise people to decide. I am not getting the politics of it, but just adding some humor to it. Many people are going for jobs, highly qualified. Okay, take one particular job. Say maybe because I work in the BPO sector, a business development executive. All right, a company which I know in Coimbatore, Majestic People Infotech is searching for a business development executive. So there are many jobs they search for, but there's many roles that candidates they search for. This is one of them. So business development executive, many people come, many get rejected. One person comes, interview. I'm just taking the interview. All right. Tell me why. Say perhaps his name is A. Tell me A. Why should we hire you for the job? One moment, sir. I'll answer. Oh, you know Indian culture? You got the job. That's it. Thank you, everyone. Yasser Suleiman here.